Hey boys, welcome back, and yes, we are going to be going full send on the big 734 Raptor. Before we begin, I must say, I'm apologizing in advance. My beautiful wife, she will be doing some of the action shots that you see, and so I'm apologizing now because if it doesn't turn out like it should, or if it's shaky, or if she's filming the trees rather than the quad, I'm apologizing now. So with that being said, please smash that like button anyways for her effort and being willing to film my chaos. Anyhow, guess what though? I got Quad Nation Jr. on his Raptor 90. Oh, that thing has sat so long that it literally could not start up. We were cranking on it forever, but guess what? I gave it the Quad Nation touch, and boom, she fired off. Time to give that thing a big bore. Quad Nation Jr., boy! You've grown into that quad quite well. He's pegged out, guys. You hear him hitting that rev limiter? That's so awesome. Send it, boy! Oh, wait. That's full send. He's like, boy, Daddy, quit teasing me. You gotta give me a bigger one. Look at him. He's like, come on, Pops. 90cc, that's it. Oh, yep, 90cc's, a whole 5 horsepower and 25 miles an hour top end. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. This whole fart that was super mean to us is going to the boat ramp. Ah. Full send time, guys. It is full send time. Watch this, baby. Let's send it. It not only on the way down here, but right now. Yeah, he turned around down there? What the hell? Well, we'll finish going down there. We'll go full send in a minute. I don't understand, people. He drove the whole way down here, and we had to creep behind him. Only to when he heard the exhaust, he turns around and has to bust up my full send. Oh my, I can't, oh man, I cannot understand people who don't ride. This is, you guys, the whole way, we followed him 3 miles creeping at 20 miles an hour. And it's like he didn't want us to pass him, and I would have, but I had my youngin' with me, so I wasn't gonna do that. And then it's like as soon as we broke off from him, and he has another 2 miles to the river, he decides, oh, I hear the exhaust now. I gotta turn around and mean mug him. What the? Oh my God. He will be calling the deputies, but luckily, they're all my buddies. He had to think about it. That's cool. I'll give him props for trying. Did y'all see his fingers? He was trying. He's like, what's Daddy doing? I love my boy. I do. I promise next video will only be full send. I know that I was kind of just testing her out today, and we had to have that old man ruin it all for us, but I'll do another full send here in a minute. But boy, did he really photobombed that video. He messed up my whole sequence. I was gonna do another 180 and rip back. We'll do it again here in a moment. So I had hit the pavement right before I started the video, and it is insane how easy it lifts up now with the 734. Let me demonstrate. First gear, second gear. I'm just kind of tapping it. Third. That is insane, guys. I'm just rolling on the throttle. I'm not even picking it up. See, third gear with the 700, even with the big 3, I had to actually pull it up a little bit. Now you just roll on the throttle and boy, that baby picks right up. Get it, son. Hit that rev limiter around that corner. Alright, you guys probably know what this means. Full send time. That disturbed individual messed me up. I wasn't able to finish my sequence. And with my OCD, I have to do it, guys. Here we go. Here we go. Let me get right here. Here we go. This is full send. The next video, trust me, you want to see the next one because it's going to be much like my Banshee video. It's only going to be 3-4 minutes of full send, nothing more. No talking, no feather in the throttle. I'm talking full send. Here we go, guys. This is the teaser. Let's see what the 734 can do out the hole now. One more time, guys. Oh, God, she pulls so hard, even on the sand. Oh, man. Oh, look at those trenches. Oh, my. Oh, man. One more full send, guys. Here we go. Second gear launch. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Full send. Oh, man. Third gear. Oh. Oh. Oh shit! Not another spark plug incident! Why do I have coolant pouring out? Oh God! Might have just been a little bit too much. Yeah, it's just too full. We're good. Here we go.